Looking for the best online business ideas for 2024? The digital era has revolutionized the business landscape, creating unique opportunities for growth and profit. From the comfort of your home, you can tap into global markets, leveraging the power of technology to transform your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. The digital marketplace is a fertile ground for innovation, ripe with potential and waiting for your unique touch. So, are you ready to seize the opportunity? Stay tuned as we dive into the top 12 online business ideas you should consider in 2024. First up, consider becoming a social media consultant. In today's digital age, businesses are increasingly recognizing the value of a robust social media presence. That's where a social media consultant comes in. They help businesses optimize their online presence, creating engaging content that drives audience engagement. This professional understands the ins and outs of platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and more, and uses this knowledge to help businesses reach their target audience more effectively. If you have a knack for creating engaging content and a deep understanding of various social media platforms, this might be the perfect online business for you. Next, consider the world of online teaching. With the rise of virtual learning platforms, there has never been a higher demand for online teachers and tutors. Whether it's language lessons, coding classes, or even cooking tutorials, if you have a skill, there's likely a market for it. Getting started is as simple as setting up a profile on a teaching platform or creating your own website. All you need is a strong internet connection and a passion for sharing knowledge. If you have expertise in a particular subject and love teaching, online teaching could be your ticket to online entrepreneurship. Thirdly, consider starting an e-commerce store. The e-commerce industry has been on a steady growth trajectory for years, and the trend doesn't show any signs of slowing down. Starting an e-commerce store allows you to sell either physical or digital products, depending on your interests and expertise. You could sell anything from handmade crafts to digital courses. And the beauty of it all? You can manage your store from anywhere in the world. Remember, the key to a successful e-commerce store is to offer the right products and use effective marketing strategies. With the right products and marketing, an e-commerce store can become a highly profitable online business. Fourth on our list is affiliate marketing. This dynamic online business model involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. Here's how it works. You choose a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that comes through your link. To start, you'll need a platform where you can promote products like a blog or a website, and then you sign up for an affiliate program. If you have a knack for marketing and sales, affiliate marketing could be a profitable online business idea for you. Next up is blogging. This online venture offers a great platform to share your unique ideas and experiences while also earning. Starting a blog is fairly simple. Choose a niche you're passionate about, create engaging content, and attract a steady stream of readers. Monetization comes in various forms, from advertising and sponsored posts to selling products or services. It takes dedication and consistency, but the potential for income and influence is considerable. If you love writing and sharing your ideas, blogging could be the perfect online business for you. Sixth on our list is online coaching. As the world moves more and more towards digital solutions, the demand for online coaches in various fields has skyrocketed. It's a business that allows you to share your expertise with others and make a difference in their lives. From fitness and health coaching to business and personal development, the possibilities are endless. Starting an online coaching business is relatively straightforward. All you need is a strong knowledge base, a passion for helping others, and a platform to connect with your clients. If you have expertise in a particular field and love helping others, online coaching could be a great online business idea for you. Next, consider starting a podcast. Podcasting has exploded in popularity over the past few years, and it's not showing any signs of slowing down. With a plethora of topics to choose from and a global audience at your fingertips, it's never been easier to share your voice with the world. But how can you monetize a podcast? Sponsorships, advertising, and listener donations are among the most common methods. You could also sell merchandise or offer premium content to your listeners. If you love speaking and sharing your ideas, podcasting could be the perfect online business for you. Eighth on our list is dropshipping. This online business model allows you to sell products directly from the manufacturer to the customer, without ever handling the inventory yourself. Here's how it works. You establish an e-commerce store, list products from suppliers, and when customers place orders, you forward those orders to the supplier. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer. This model allows you to focus on marketing and customer service, without the overhead of stocking inventory. If you're interested in e-commerce but don't want to handle inventory, dropshipping could be a great online business idea for you. Next, consider freelance writing. The digital age has amplified the demand for skilled writers. From crafting engaging blog posts to creating compelling social media content, the opportunities are endless. To start, all you need is a laptop, a strong internet connection, and a passion for words. You could even specialize in a specific field like tech, health, or finance. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can help you find your first few clients. With time and experience, you can set your own rates and choose projects that align with your interests. If you love writing and are good at it, freelance writing could be a great online business idea for you. 10th on our list is SEO consultancy. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a crucial component of online business. It's all about improving a website's visibility on search engines, which leads to increased traffic and potential sales. Starting an SEO consultancy business involves first mastering the art and science of SEO. You can then offer your expertise to businesses, helping them enhance their online presence. Your role would be to provide strategies for them to rank higher on search engine results. If you have a deep understanding of SEO and love helping businesses improve their online presence, SEO consultancy could be a great online business idea for you. Next up is offering virtual assistant services. As businesses go digital, the demand for virtual assistants has skyrocketed. These online professionals provide administrative, technical, and creative assistance from a remote location, freeing up time for business owners to focus on growth. To start a virtual assistant business, you'll need a strong set of skills in areas like project management, email handling, or even content creation. Pair these skills with a reliable internet connection and a knack for communication, and you're well on your way. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and good at multitasking, offering virtual assistant services could be a great online business idea for you. Last but not least, consider app development. This tech-savvy field is brimming with potential, with countless businesses and individuals seeking custom applications to meet their unique needs. It's all about identifying a problem and creating a digital solution. You can start an app development business right from your home. All you need is a computer, coding skills, and a creative mind. You can opt to develop apps for specific platforms, or offer a broad range of app development services. If you have a knack for coding and love creating solutions, app development could be a great online business idea for you. So, there you have it, the top 12 online business ideas for 2024. From social media consultancy to app development, there's a wide range of opportunities waiting for you in the digital world. Online teaching, e-commerce, blogging, and the 9 other ideas we've discussed offer potential avenues to success. The internet is a vast marketplace, teeming with potential and ripe for entrepreneurial exploration. Remember, the digital marketplace is ripe with opportunities. Find the right online business idea for you and start your entrepreneurial journey today.